Hello friends, my name is Jairaj Rathod. I am welcoming you in this session of chapter straight line. We already know we have different form of equation of straight line, right? The slope and point form, 2-point form, slope and y intersection form, and x and y intercept form, and normal form. In first part of this session, we are going to deal with the questions in which we have two different points on a same line, and using this x1 y1 and x2 y2 we can obtain the equation of line. Using this equation, you just need to read question carefully and get the points, okay, and put in equation to get your final answer. So without wasting time, let's go for the questions. In our next question, we have to find equation of line which is passing from -5 -6 and b point 3, 10, right? So let's collect the data. Our first point x1 y1 is -5 -6, and the second point x2 y2 is 3, 10, right? Okay, so we have 2 points on the straight line, which suggests that we have to use the 2 form of equation of line. Okay, so let's use the equation. Here we just have to put the data. Y minus y1 is -6 upon x minus x1 -5. Let's put this thing on the right hand side also. So -6 on -5. Okay, it's time to put the second point. Y coordinate of the second point is 10 and x coordinate is 3. So we can say y plus 6 upon x plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 6, 16 upon 5 plus 3, 8, or we can say 2. Let's simplify to get our final answer. Y plus 6 is equal to 2x plus 10, or we can say 2x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0 is the required equation of line. Ta-da! Option B is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question, in which we have to obtain the equation of line L which is passing from 8, 7 and -2, 5, right? So we can say our line is passing from two different points. x1 y1 is 8, 7 and x2 y2 is -2, 5, right? So here we should use the second form of equation of line, which is y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, right? Let's put the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2 at their respective places. First of all, we will place the value of x1 y1. So here we have y minus y1 is 7 upon x minus 8. Same values will place over here, -7 and -8, right? Now we place the value of x2 y2, which is 5 and -2 respectively, right? So let's simplify this. Y minus 7 upon x minus 8 will, as it is, 5 minus 7 will be -2, and -2 minus 8 become -10, or we can say 1/5. To get the final answer, let's cross multiply. So we will get 5y minus 35 is equal to x minus 8, or we can say x minus 5y plus 27 is equal to 0 is the required equation of line. Ta-da! Let's quickly move to the next question. We just have to find line of equation passing from 1 2 and 2 4. Easy peasy. 2 points are given. First one is x1 y1, or we can say 1 2, and another point x2 y2 is 2 5, and it suggests that we should use second form of equation, right, which is y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. And we know how to put the data. The first point, y coordinate is 2 upon x minus 1 is equal to, first of all, put the second point and then the first point, 5 upon 2, right? Okay. Or we can say y minus 2 upon x minus 1 is equal to 3 upon 1. Let's simplify by cross multiplying. We will get y minus 2 is equal to 3x minus 3, or we can say 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is the required equation of line. Ta-da! Option A is the right answer. Let's see the question. The equation of line joining origin and minus 4 5 is dash. Here we have to find the equation of line which is passing from origin x1 y1 is 0 0 and another point x2 y2 is minus 4 5. So here we get our number underline data, and to find the equation of line we should choose 2-point equation, which is y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. And we know that first of all we will place first point, y1 is 0, x1 is also 0, so y minus 0 upon x minus 0, and on right hand side we place the same point, minus 0 upon minus 0. Now it's time to put the second point. y2 is 5 and x2 is minus 4, so let's put 5 and minus 4, right? Okay, let's simplify by cross multiplying. So we will get minus 4y is equal to 5x, right? Or we can say 5x plus 4y is equal to 0 is the required equation of line. Ta-da! Option A is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. If the coordinate of vertices of triangle ABC are as given respectively, then the equation of median through point C is dash. Okay, first of all, let me remind you the property of median so you can understand the question properly. Median is the line which is passing from the midpoint and the vertex. Our median is passing from C, so it must be passing from the opposite edge, which is AB. Okay, now let's draw the figure so you can visualize properly. Here we have our figure. Our median L is passing from point C, the first point, 5 minus 8, and we need to find the midpoint of BC, right? Okay, it's an easy task. Just add the x coordinate by 2, so minus 3 minus 1 by 2, and total of the y coordinate by 2, minus 9 plus 6 by 2. So the midpoint is minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, so we already find the 2 points of CM, right? Okay, let's collect the data. For MC line, it is passing from first point M, which have coordinate of minus 2 minus 3 by 2, and the another point is point C, having coordinate of 5 minus 8. So we get our double underline data. Now we just have to use the 2-point form of the equation of line, and here it is. We just have to put the data. So let's put the first point, y minus minus 3 by 2 upon x minus minus 2. Minus 3 by 2 is minus 2. Okay. Now we will put the first point, which is minus 8 upon 5. If you simplify this equation, you will get 13x plus 14y plus 47 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of median CM line. Tada! Option C is your final answer.